Achieving financial freedom might seem like a distant dream. Maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck, weighed down by debt, or simply feel stuck in a cycle where it seems like you'll never get ahead. But what if I told you that financial freedom isn't as far away as you think? What if you could get there faster than most people expect? Whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5, retire early, or simply have enough money to live life on your own terms, there are proven steps to speed up the process. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can fast-track your journey to financial freedom. No fluff, no unrealistic promises, just practical steps you can start using today. Ready? Let's get right into it. And hey, if you want more tips on reaching financial freedom, don't forget to hit subscribe and join us on this journey. Number 9. Change your mindset. The first step to financial freedom is mental. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how you think about money. If you continue to believe that wealth is only for a select few, or that you'll never get ahead, that's exactly what will happen. The wealthy think about money differently. They see it as a tool, not something to hoard or fear. They focus on building assets and creating opportunities for growth. To speed up your financial freedom, start thinking like you've already achieved it. Spend less time worrying about money and more time learning how to make it work for you. Picture what financial freedom looks like for you, whether it's traveling, quitting your job, or starting a business. This shift in mindset alone can give you the clarity and motivation to push toward your goals faster. Number 8. Cut expenses ruthlessly, but smartly. Here's the truth. You can't out-earn poor spending habits. Even if you start making more money, if you don't know how to manage it, you'll end up in the same financial hole. Achieving financial freedom requires being smart with your money, and that often means cutting unnecessary expenses. But don't worry, I'm not telling you to never have fun or give up your morning coffee. It's about being strategic. Start by identifying leaks in your spending, those small recurring costs that add up over time, like unused subscriptions, impulse buys, or dining out too often. Redirect that money into savings or investments. This simple habit can shave years off your financial freedom timeline. For bigger savings, consider downsizing your lifestyle. Maybe it's time to sell that car you can't afford, move into a smaller apartment, or reconsider major purchases that don't bring long-term value. Cutting expenses doesn't mean deprivation. It means creating room for the things that matter. Number 7. Maximize your income streams. Now that you've cut expenses, the next step is to increase your income. The fastest way to achieve financial freedom is to have more money coming in. But instead of just relying on one income stream, like your job, consider diversifying. Here's where you can really speed up your progress. Start by looking for ways to increase your current income. Ask for a raise, pick up a side gig, or turn your hobby into a small business. But don't stop there. Look into passive income streams. Passive income is key to financial freedom because it's money you make without actively working for it. Think rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or creating digital products that sell while you sleep. Even something as simple as putting extra cash into a high-yield savings account can start earning you more money and interest. The more streams of income you have, the faster you can achieve financial independence. Number 6. Invest early, invest often. If there's one thing that can fast-track your journey to financial freedom, it's investing. But here's the secret: time is your best friend when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest, which is basically the magic formula for building wealth. Now, you don't need to be a stock market expert to get started. You can start with simple, beginner-friendly options like index funds or ETFs, which give you exposure to a wide range of companies and help spread out your risk. Over time, the market grows, and so will your investments. You can even automate your investments to make the process easier. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, whether it's a retirement fund, a brokerage account, or even a robo-advisor. This set-it-and-forget-it approach ensures you're consistently investing, even if you're not actively managing it. And don't wait until you have tons of extra cash to start investing. The sooner you begin, even with a small amount, the faster you'll reach financial freedom. Number 5. Destroy debt as fast as possible. Debt is the enemy of financial freedom. Every dollar you owe is a dollar you can't use to build wealth. If you want to speed up your journey, you need to tackle your debt head-on. But don't just pay it off, slowly attack it with everything you've got. The first step is to list all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and any other liabilities. Then, Prioritize them based on either interest rate, tackle the high-interest ones first, or balance, knock out the smallest debts for psychological wins. Use any extra income or savings from your expense cutting to throw at your debt. Every dollar you free up and pay off gets you one step closer to financial freedom. Once your debt is gone, you'll have more money to invest and save, accelerating your financial goals. Number 4. Automate everything. One of the best ways to achieve financial freedom faster is to put your finances on autopilot. Automating your savings, bill payments, and investments ensures that you're consistently building wealth without needing to think about it. You're removing the risk of forgetting, procrastinating, or spending that money on something else. Set up automatic transfers into your savings and investment accounts as soon as you get paid. This way, you're paying yourself first and making your money work for you before you even touch it. The more automated your finances, the less room there is for error, and the faster you'll hit your goals. Number 3. Build an emergency fund and a plan for protection. Financial freedom isn't just about building wealth, it's also about protecting what you have. Life happens, and unexpected expenses will pop up. That's why it's crucial to have an emergency fund in place. Ideally, this fund should cover 6 months of living expenses. If something goes wrong like a medical emergency, job loss, or car breakdown, you won't have to dip into your investments or go into debt. While you're at it, make sure you have the right insurance: health, auto, and renters, homeowners insurance. Financial freedom means you're prepared for life's curveballs without losing the progress you've made. Number 2. Keep your focus. Once you start making more money or paying off your debts, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest barriers to achieving financial freedom quickly. Instead of spending more when you earn more, keep your expenses the same or even reduce them. Funnel that extra income into your investments, savings, or debt repayment. The faster you can build your financial foundation, the quicker you'll reach freedom. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Number 1. Surround yourself with the right people. Financial freedom isn't just about numbers, it's also about mindset and community. If you're serious about achieving financial independence, surround yourself with like-minded people who share your goals. Whether that's finding a mentor, joining a financial independence community, or simply following personal finance blogs or YouTube channels, the people you associate with will influence your success. It's much easier to stay focused and motivated when you have support from people who understand what you're trying to achieve. Plus, you'll pick up valuable tips and insights along the way that can help you speed up your progress. The path to financial freedom isn't complicated, but it does require action. By changing your mindset, cutting expenses, maximizing your income, investing wisely, and paying off debt, you can achieve financial independence much faster than you think. It's not about how much you make, it's about how you manage what you have. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, start implementing these steps today. Remember, the sooner you start, the faster you'll get there. And if you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more actionable advice on achieving financial freedom and building wealth. We're in this together, and we can't wait to see you succeed.